Hello, good evening. This will be very windy, and after that it's going to rain. So they seem like a typhoon. When you see the cloud, it's so dark here. The rain is really extremely strong here. But when it's rain, sometimes have ice also falling. It's too windy. Even the coconut are swaying. Yeah. Bamboo. Now the rain starts pouring. The good thing with raining is we have a lot of frogs to pick up tonight. So there's another food for tomorrow. As you can see, it's really strong wind. So most farmers will come tonight in the pond to collect some frogs. So when it's raining like this, the farmers will start also to plow their farm to prepare to plant for the first cropping, first planting period. So there's gonna be rice.